Hi everyone, this is a video about chemical peels and to answer a question I frequently get asked, which is can I have a chemical peel in the summer? So first of all I need to explain a little bit more about chemical peels and how they work. So it will break down the bonds between the dead skin cells on the surface of your skin, known as the stratum corneum, but in that dead layer of skin is also a lot of sun protection. So when you have a chemical peel, it exfoliates that layer of skin much quicker than your skin would do normally, and therefore you're getting rid of your sun protection effectively. So by getting rid of the melanin in your skin, which is what protects you from the sun, you're more likely to get sunburn. You're also more likely to get hyperpigmentation, which some people have as a pre-existing before they have a chemical peel, and for some people that's why they're having a chemical peel. So hyperpigmentation is darker areas of skin in patches or spots. Sometimes it appears across the cheeks, around the side of the hairline perhaps. For some people it's quite widespread and will cover most of their skin. So to avoid getting that as a side effect of a chemical peel, you really must protect your skin well from the sun. In the 2 weeks afterwards, it's a minimum, but ongoing, because you're just going to be undoing the results that chemical peel is giving you, and potentially leaving yourself more vulnerable to damage from the sun, which is not healthy, and it's going to cause more pigmentation on the surface of your skin. So you would need to wear a wide-brimmed hat after a chemical peel for at least 2 weeks. You need to avoid sun exposure as much as possible. Wear a broad spectrum sunscreen. So usually if you have a chemical peel, your skincare specialist or aesthetics practitioner, nurse, doctor, dentist, whoever that might be, will usually provide you with a post-procedure pack, which should contain products to look after your skin after a peel, but also a very good medical grade sunscreen, SPF, that should give really good protection for your skin. But it doesn't mean that you can still go out in the sun. Doesn't mean you have to stay indoors. You know, if you need to pop out and about for a short while, you've got a hat on, you've got your sunscreen on, try and stay in shade as much as possible, but I wouldn't go and have a chemical peel and then, I don't know, go and sit by the pool all day, unless you're under a parasol. Yeah, so you just need to keep out of the sun as much as possible after a peel. So it's not a no-no. I wouldn't recommend it before going on a hot holiday somewhere, a sun holiday, because it's really difficult to stay out of the sun, even though you might try really hard. It's just not worth taking the risk, really. So that's it. If anyone's got any questions, just pop a comment in the box or send me a direct message. Take care, everyone.